In this video, we will study about the last structure in your syllabus, that is cable. So, flexible cables are used in engineering structure to support the loads. The cables are mainly used in suspension bridges, transmission lines, etc. So, there are three cases which are considered in analysis of cables, that are a cable subjected to concentrated load, a cable subjected to distributed load, and a cable subjected to self-weight. So we will teach only first case here, that is subjected with concentrated load. So here are some assumptions about cables. First assumption is cable is perfectly flexible and inextensible. Second, the cable has no constant load before and after the load is applied because it is inextensible. Third is the geometry of cable remains fixed after loads have been applied. And fourth one, the weight of cable is comparatively small, so neglected. In calculation, we neglect the weight of cable. Then last one is the tensile force in the cable is directed along the cable. Now the steps for the analysis of cable. Here also you have to draw the FBD of whole cable and show the support reaction and find out the support reaction by applying the conditions of equilibrium. But here the cable is supported at both ends with the help of hinge support. So the support reactions are 4 and we have only 3 conditions of equilibrium. Then to find out the fourth support reaction, you have to cut the cable and consider any one portion of the cable and find out the fourth reaction. Then same step number 4, consider right hand side or left hand side part of the cable and find the fourth one, support reaction. Okay. Then maximum tension and minimum tension. You have to calculate the maximum tension in portion of the cable or calculate the minimum tension in portion of the cable. So tension is maximum in that portion of the cable which has largest angle of inclination with horizontal. Such portion carrying maximum tension, means angle of inclination with maximum angle of inclination having the maximum tension. Then minimum tension, the part making least angle of inclination with horizontal will be subjected to minimum tension. So this is the numerical of cable. The cable A support 3 vertical loads from the point indicated. If the point C is 1.5 meter below the left support, determine elevation of B and D and maximum slope and maximum tension in the cable. So here is the cable given A, B, C, D, E having sag. Sag means the elevation of point C from horizontal line which is passing through the point A, which is 1.5 meter, and you have to calculate the sag at B and D. And then second one, you have to also calculate the minimum tension in which portion of the cable and minimum slope of the. So here first step is followed, that is draw the FBD of cable. So here this is the FBD of cable. Applying the conditions of equilibrium, that is summation of moment about point E is equal to 0, you will get the equation 6AX 18AY plus 198 is equal to 0. Then taking the or cut the cable at point C and taking the left hand side portion of the cable and applying the condition of equilibrium, that is moment about point C is equal to 0, you will get the equation in the form of AX and AY. Comparing this equation with equation number 1 or solving simultaneously both equation, you will get the value of AX and AY, which is AX is equal to minus 18 kilonewton and AY is equal to 5 kilonewton. Then next, For calculation of sag at B and D, cut the cable at point B. Consider the left hand side portion of the B, like this figure shows. The here at point B we cut the cable, and consider the consider the left hand side portion of the cable. Then apply the condition of equilibrium, that is summation of moment about point B is equal to 0, and by applying this equation you will get the value of YB, that is sag at point B, which is equal to minus 1.67 meter. Same for sag at point D. You have to cut the cable at point D. Consider the left hand side portion of the D. Apply the conditions of equilibrium, that is moment about point D is equal to 0. You will get the value of sag at D, that is YD is equal to 1.75 meter. Then to find out the maximum tension and maximum slope at the cable, you have to calculate it by using the angle of inclination. So where the angle of inclination is maximum, then the maximum tension in that portion. So here in the maximum tension is at in portion DE, making an angle 43.4 with T max is equal to 24.8 kilonewton. Means you have to first calculate the theta, that is the angle of inclination. The angle of inclination is maximum, there the tension is maximum in that portion. So this is all about the analysis of cable. Thank you.